IBM QRadar is a security information and event management solution that helps security teams to accurately detect and prioritize threats across the enterprise. It provides intelligent insights that enable teams to respond quickly to reduce the impact of incidents. Before you begin, you need to collaborate with a QRadar administrator, someone who can install the software on the QRadar console, obtain security token, IP address, and other required information. The IBM Cloud Pak for Security connector for IBM QRadar requires QRadar 7.3.3 or newer, and the following content packs installed on your QRadar environment. IBM QRadar Content Extension for Sysmin. IBM QRadar Custom Properties for Microsoft Windows. These 9 steps are the part of procedure for configuring a QRadar data source connection. 1. Log into IBM Cloud Pak for Security. 2. In the navigation pane, click the Settings icon. 3. Click Connections then Data Sources. 4. Click Connect a Data Source. 5. Select the data source type and click Next. Step 6. Configure the connection. Define the general details about the connection to allow IBM Cloud Pak for Security to connect to the data source. Complete the required fields. Data source name. Data source description. Management IP or host name. Host port. Step 7. Set the query parameters. Set the parameters to control the behavior of the search query on the data source. Complete the fields. Concurrent search limit. Query search timeout limit. Result size limit. Query time range. Step 8. Configure identity and access. Click Edit Access to choose which users can connect to the data source and the type of access. Click Add. You can see any users that you added under Users Assigned. The authentication token is the unique identifier of the data source that you want to establish the connection with. It is required to authenticate the connection request. Step 9. To add a connection certificate is required only when QRadar is using self-signed certs. Once the connector has been configured, it will show in the list of data connectors. You can test the connection to verify completion of process of configuring a QRadar connection.